Resolving nested groups. Next, let's use our newly developed PowerShell script to unravel the nested groups we found with net.exe. The first task is to locate all groups in the domain and print their names. To do this, we'll create a filter extracting all records with an object class set to group. In addition, we'll only print the name property for each group instead of all properties. When executed, the script outputs a list of all groups in the domain. There are several groups, including secret group, nested group, and another nested group. Now, let's try to list the members of the group secret group by setting a filter on the name property. We'll only display the member attribute to obtain the group members. The modified script will dump the names of the distinguished name group members. According to this output, nested group is a member of secret group. To enumerate its members, we must repeat the steps performed in order to list the members of nested group. We can do this by replacing the group name in the filter. This indicates that another nested group is the only member of nested group. We'll need to modify the script again, replacing nested group with another nested group. Finally, we find that the domain user Adam is the sole member of another nested group. This ends the enumeration required to enumerate the nested groups and demonstrates how PowerShell and LDAP can be leveraged to perform this kind of lookup.